Okay, here guys is a video of my Dodge Cummins 24 valve turbo diesel. It's a 2001 dually, big mirrors. 0 to 60 time right here. I'll let you hear my straight pipe Cummins. Best sound on the road out there. '60 right there.